Hi, I have worked upon many projects related to Salesforce, say it a Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or Community Cloud. I'm happy to share one of my project's case study with you guys. That is Merchant Management System via Salesforce Communities. The requirement of the client were the client wanted to have a system where their vendor can submit a timesheet. The client also wanted to have a functionality where their vendor can forecast future working hours. The client wanted to have the most updated information of the timesheet. The client also wanted that their vendor can create an invoice against timesheet which they submitted through a community portal. So the solution we have provided for that, we came up with a timesheet forecast and invoice system like with the components. That is an application where vendor can submit timesheet and create an invoice against it. User can use it to insert and update records in timesheet. It is a very simple process in which users just need to enter data in timesheet and click on save. And further on, they can create an invoice out of it. So this is the Salesforce community. So we have like home, and we haven't added any dashboards right now. You can add it further. Like we have initiative and projects. These are the objects that we are like in the initiative. We are storing the information related to a project, and the resources there are. Then the further on, everything will be stored in there like timesheet, invoices, SOW, project request, and other. Now let me quickly go to timesheet component. Like click on timesheet. So here as you can see, the week, start date and end date will be updated accordingly when you open the system. You can select a project from here, then add timesheet. You can choose a resource name, then update their hours. And you can add and comment in here right away. Like for example, I need to add and comment for what I was working on in these hours. We can add that in here. Then click on save. If you have missed something, you can click on edit. Otherwise, if you want to delete the timesheet you have added, you can delete it simply from here. And we can submit a status report for all of the timesheets that we have been adding in for this week. By clicking on the add timesheet, you can add for another resource and add the time and save and edit. And we can even bulk import, like we can do it for like 1 to 3 months of data. You can upload directly into system and that will be visible in here. We can download sample template. A sample template will be when you click on download, a sample template will open. You can enter data into it. See, as you can see, for the resource, hours and months, these will be available. I just need to fill in from here. And save. Once this is saved, you can import it from here by clicking in there. So you can upload through CSV, upload and import. And like lastly, when we are done with the submitting timesheets, we can submit it for approval. So whoever will be the vendor manager or the person who is managing the resources will be getting a notification regarding the same. So I can click it for the submitted for approval from here. Now we can even add the forecasting hours. Forecasting hours are only the future hours that are present in the system. Like the vendor want to add in for the next week, you can't add it for this week. So you need, like it has to be in future. So we can go it from in for future and add forecast. And similarly, like the timesheet, we can add the same. So this is the how the timesheet and forecast component is working. Let me quickly move to invoice. So this is the invoice tab. Once again, we need to select here the project, and as you can see the timesheet that I have created earlier in this process, I just need to select it from here, add invoice, and we can add invoice items like maybe a purpose like for traveling, a hotel, like related to that project. So it can be added in here, and the calculation will be as, and even you can attach a file like a receipt or a screenshot you want to add. Just we need to click on add invoice. So the timesheet is not approved, so we need to approve it further from this. So once the timesheet is approved, the invoice will be generated like this, and we can see in here 120 as in the total amount. The timesheet is not calculating any value right away, so because they are fetching rates from and some other object. So this is the final invoice that we will be getting. I hope you liked the video. Please let us know if you come across any kind of similar requirements. We are always happy to help. Thank you.